Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. On this video, I'm gonna ask you kindly to get a piece of paper, a pen, a pencil, because this video is all about how to hide your listing, Facebook, especially on Marketplace, your Facebook listing of an item that you want to sell to your friends, to your followers, etc. So first of all, please open your browser. And as you can see, I'm currently using Microsoft Edge. If you want to use Google Chrome, that's perfectly fine. Safari, Mozilla Firefox if it's still there, I'm not quite sure though. And I think Opera. Everything is good, all browsers are good as long as you can access, of course, Facebook, and the very important part is the internet, okay? So currently I'm Facebook Marketplace right now. Let me just go back to my landing page. So this is my landing page right here. To go to the Marketplace, just hover your mouse on the left side, click on Marketplace, and easy as that, you're on Marketplace, okay? Now from here, let me just check my electronics right there. Now from here I just want you to follow my steps as I go on, okay? Now let's get started. So let's just try posting a listing first. Of course, we need to post a listing, ask them for sale, vehicle, home for sale or rent. Let's just click on item for sale. By the way, you don't have to worry if you don't want to sell an item, you want to sell a vehicle. They're just the same process. Especially on mobile also, this is the just same, okay? So this is a shoe that I got from the internet. I'm just gonna name it shoes. Put in the price. I'll just say 10 peso. Category. Just fill in the blanks here, guys, as you go on. I know you know what to do over here. Let's just choose that one right there. Fair. Size 11. Code style. I'm just gonna do anything here as fast as I can. Good. Listing as in stock. Product tag. San Fernando. Now boost listing after publish. You can do this. However, you need to pay for this one. Now, here's the option that we need. Hide from friends. Click on this one so our friends won't see our listing. For example, we're ashamed, we're embarrassed, or we're shy a little bit. This is the perfect option for you. For all of my introvert friends out there, simply click this one and click on next. And I assure you, whatever listing or whatever you post on Marketplace will be hidden with your friends, with your families, as long as they're connected on your Facebook account. Okay? That being said, thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. Have a safe one, guys.